Hello, Windrila from Modpunk Design, Craft Adda, New Delhi. Today is the National Handloom Day, and we commemorated this day with little celebrations. And there is a upcoming celebration which will be happening soon. So this Handloom Day absolutely is a day marked to promote our heritage hand-woven textiles, the colors, what earlier we used to use, the revival concepts, the reweaving of the heritage beauties, and so on and so forth, and also thinking about the projects, support systems to the weavers, and to for their promotion and for their growth particularly. And it's a slow fashion, and we really need to make it sustainable. So for today's this small video, what I have done, I have made a little different and a very subtle, elegant collection with natural dyes, the natural dye colors. And so this natural dye, these are the tunics, kimono, styled tunics, kimono styled tunics. So these are about 39-40 in length, 39-40 in length, completely free sized. And so these are the tunics. So it's so smart. I mean, it is the all the colors are done in by shibori pattern, tie and dye. And this is the fabric is a complete hand woven fabric, completely hand woven. And this is charkha yarn fabric. This is charkha yarn hand woven fabric with this beautiful hand embroidered kutch work motive. And I have given a very nice subtle piping, ajrak piping. So it is completely in a natural dye pattern. So so it is big enough. It is about almost 50 in size on the sides. So, and it will just fall on your body because the fabric is so soft, absolutely stunning ones. So this is for 3200. So this is first, and there are various shades of indigo, This was the base color of the fabric. So the colors are going like this. See, it is front, and this is the back. So 3200. Anybody interested? And all time wear. So the color combination remains same, only the patchwork colors are different. The color combination is same, but the patchwork color is little different. And so this is the other combination. So I have two of these tunics. So 3200, two of these very subtle and very elegant ones. I mean, you just pour it on your body, and you don't even have to wear anything below it. I mean, you can wear it as a dress tunic, or as a short top, or not short top, it's a long top actually. And so it's basically 40 is the length. So you can just drape it as you want. Again, 3200. So this is, see how beautiful. There is indigo, beetroot, turmeric. So all these combinations. So this is another tie dye shibori. So this is another pattern. See, it's a beautiful shibori pattern. This round, you can see down. So this is another very funky with this kutch work embroidery done. So this embroidery also is completely done, and nicely absolutely appliqued on the fabric, nicely done and appliqued on the fabric. There is a neckline, has this beautiful ajrak piping, sorry. So that's the back of the shirt tunic, and this is the front. 3200, special handloom day creations. Eco print, lovely eco print fabric, pure khadi, absolutely 100% khadi, because khadi is hand spun yarn. Khadi is always a hand spun yarn. See the hand spun texture, completely pure cotton. See the smartness of the the drape. eco print. All the colors have come from the leaves. So this is an eco print fabric. So this is the back, this is the front. The front is embellished with this patchwork, patchwork pattern. So this would come like this. Very smart, very, very smart. If I could wear it, then I would have shown it better. So this is another natural dye fabric, natural dye, beautiful cotton. This is absolutely mull cotton variety. So this is a soft, nice cotton with natural dye painting. So this is a natural dye painting. So these are the birds and the bird motifs and all that. So this is a natural dye painting. So this the back has this kind of a panel. The back has this kind of a panel. The front is like this. So the front has this kind of a look. Or this painting has come like this. This is all natural dye, natural colors, all elegant look rather than those dark, the dark colors as compared to the blouse I'm wearing. So this kind of one is this 3200, and the other kaftan again absolutely the similar kind of a painting, So this is another one. So this is another one. So these are little, I think 41 in length, and all are free sized, very soft, absolutely soft and supple, as you can understand also from this So this is the back, and this is the front. These are very English looking. I mean, in the sense that, the people in the Western countries, they just love our creativity so much, like this, in natural colors, natural dye, hand woven fabric. So this are 6 of them in, in this combination. Now we come to Ajrak, natural dye Ajrak on modal, a natural dye Ajrak on modal. So this is like this. So this is again another free size tunic dresses. So this has a length of 42. This has a length of 41, 42. So this is like this. So this is, I have given a neckline with the khand fabric. Very smart. That is the back. So these are all my Bangalore exhibition collection. But if anybody is interested, because I can't deprive you all, I mean, why to if anybody is interested, you can just go for it. So these are all new collections. So this is for 2850. Another is this lovely stripes like this. Stripes. This is the print. This is the body block. And these are all real Ajrak blocks. See how smart they look. Absolutely phenomenal and very smart. And so this is the neckline. So it's basically, Gujarat hand block with Maharashtrian khand fabric neckline. So it's like this. So it's very smart. So 2850. The third one in this is this beautiful black and white combination of the body. Beautiful black and white combination of the body combination like this. And so this is the sleeves. That's the neckline. This is the back. So very smart, very, very smart and elegant. So this is the third one. The fourth one is this. This is the fourth one. Absolute beautiful natural indigo. This is the back is with the plain denim fabric. The back of this kaftan is with plain, not kaftan, it is a tunic dress, is with plain denim fabric, soft denim in blue, dyed in indigo. And so this is the front. That is the neckline with the khand fabric. This is the neckline. I hope I'm very clear with you. And so this is the back. The back is plain in this. So this is 2850. Now this is not an Ajrak, but this is modal silk. So this is not an Ajrak. This is people might call it as Ajrak, but this is not Ajrak. This is a lovely screen printed modal silk. Beautiful screen printed modal silk. Fabric. Very nice. It looks like those Chinese prints, those Chinese Japanese kind of prints. So this is one. So this again a free size, anybody can get into this, any size doesn't matter. So this is the one, and 2850. And the last one is pure silk. This is pure mulberry silk. This is pure mulberry silk, 2 ply pure mulberry silk. But this is little short. This is little short. This would be on 38 size. This is little on the short length, 38 size. See how beautiful is the print. Can you see the print? Absolutely gorgeous. Lovely print. So this is 38 length. Otherwise size is free. Only the length is 38. So anybody who is interested to go for a shorter length of this thing. So this is pure mulberry silk, absolutely pure mulberry silk, and this is block printed Jaipur block with mulberry silk. So this is like this, and this is also 2850. Now this is a long ajrak kimono style. This is a complete kimono styled kaftan. It's a kimono style dress. And the sleeves are like this. The front I have given the lagri patta design, and the lower also has a lagri patta design. So it's a full length dress. It's a full length ajrak dress. At 4200. This is priced at 4200. So this is like this. Again, an absolute free sized and free styled. So this is one. Then this modal plain green color with this kind of a front design. This kind of a front design, and it's a complete solid green color with this kind of a lagri patta bordering on the lower side, lower panel. And so this is the back, 4200 again. This is a dress, ajrak. This is a frock style dress with in ajrak. Frock style dress is ajrak. I have just, people were gaga for this. I mean, so I only have one in this style left. Just one in this style left. See, there is a pleats over here like this. It is also, it can go up to 46. It can go up to 46. It has margin. So this is the front, and this is the back. This has a this kind of an overlapping box box slit like this. So this is the one, and so this is priced at 3850. This is priced at 3850. And another kimono styled ajrak kaftan, not kaftan, again kimono style tunic, long dress, basically long tunic, kimono style long tunic. So this is with brocade. This part is with brocade. As you can see, it's a beautiful brocade in the front, nice and gorgeous and smart. And so this is the back. The back length is this. So it is, these are all in the longer length, about 43, 44, 42 kind of a length. So like this. So this is also priced at 4200. So I'm done with the video today. Anybody who's interested can get back to me. Thank you so much.